I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're on an administrator account and you've saved any open work. Once ready, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager and find Windows Explorer. Right-click and choose Restart to refresh System UI. If Device Manager still won't open, press Win+R and type CMD, then press Ctrl+Shift+Enter to run an elevated command prompt. This prepares the system for the next repair commands and lets you run SFC and DISM without permission issues. From the elevated command prompt, type SFC/scano and press Enter. This scans and repairs corrupted system files that can block Device Manager. Once SFC completes, even if it fixed items, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image, because dism handles component store problems that SFC can't. Make sure to wait for each tool to finish. Once both complete, restart Windows to apply repairs, and then attempt to open Device Manager again to verify the issue is resolved. If Device Manager still won't open, create a temporary administrator account and log in there. This isolates profile corruption. Next, open Event Viewer and Review Application and system logs for errors tied to Plug and Play, Explorer, or related services to guide further fixes. If logs point to deep system damage, perform an in-place upgrade repair with Windows 10 installation media to refresh system files without losing apps. Troubleshooting tip: if the repair stalls, unplug peripherals and disable third-party security temporarily before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.